how to add or remove phone numbers from your saved profile card on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Contacts settings, you will see first option is Profile, Card and Picture. And after click on Profile, Card and Picture, click on Phone Number. After click on Phone Number, click on Add Phone Number. After click on Add Phone Number, contact is showing here. Click on Contact, you will see Contact is add. If you want to remove phone number, so click on Contact and here showing you remove, click on remove, you will see your contact is removed. So you will add or remove contact phone number from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove a phone number from your shared profile card on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.